Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure you have admin rights and save files so nothing is lost. On Windows, open Settings or press Win+R and run msinfo32 to view a concise system snapshot. On Mac, choose About this Mac for an immediate overview. On Linux, open a terminal now. This is where you'll pull live data. Once done, note the OS version and system model so later commands target the right platform and return meaningful details. Next, collect deeper diagnostics. On Windows, run dxdiag for display and audio tests, and use PowerShell get computer info to export a full profile. This helps spot driver mismatches. On Mac, open System Report or run System Profiler Detail Level full to get serials and PCI info. Export to a file for support. On Linux, LSCPU and LSBLK identify CPU and storage, while DMESC reveals recent hardware messages. Make sure to read key fields, model numbers, driver versions, and firmware dates for accurate trouble. Finish by saving everything. Export msinfo32, save System Profiler as a, txd or plist, and redirect Linux command output to files so you have a record. You should highlight serial numbers, BIOS/UEFI or SMC firmware versions, and driver dates. These details resolve most compatibility questions. If you need to provide info to support, attach the files. If something goes wrong, try a reboot. Confirm you ran commands with elevated rights, and then rerun the same steps. This single tip fixes most transient access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.